Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you the best USB-C wall charger that is on the market today. A lot of people think that USB-C chargers are overrated and not worth it. Now, there are a lot of USB chargers out there, but it is important to know the good from the bad. All the links of the wall chargers are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. In at number 5, the USB wall charger is Nekmit, thin flat 42 watt, 4-port USB-C fast wall charger. Nekmit 4-port USB-C wall charger is one of the most highly rated USB wall chargers available today. This compact charger provides you with 4 ports, each capable of a total of 5A of power. This means you can charge up to 4 of your USB devices simultaneously. You can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously using 4 smart ports. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Ultra slim and lightweight design, with no winding cables, for a space-saving solution. Smart IC technology automatically detects the output of your device to ensure that it charges at maximum speed. The Nekmit Slim USB charging hub has 4 charging ports that face outwards rather than upwards. This allows you to safely charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. This allows for more control over where cables lead and prevents damage from furniture that is obstructed by other charger designs. The Nekmit Slim USB charging hub has 1 USB-C charging port and 1 USB-A charging port. This allows you to meet your power requirements for all your devices. Your USB power delivery-enabled devices can get a faster charge of up to 18 watts via the USB-C port. Each USB-A port can deliver a maximum of 12 watts and a total power output of 24 watts. This allows for fast charging via USB-A. Nekmit Slim USB charging device is designed with non-slip and stronghold construction. It can be plugged into any socket and will not slip. In at number 4, the best USB wall charger is Hyphen X, 100 watt, 4-port USB-C fast wall charger. Hyphen X 100 watt USB-C charger can simultaneously charge 4 devices at full speed. It also saves up to an hour of charging time. The 100-watt gallium nitride advanced charger can charge 2 laptops and 2 USB-A devices simultaneously. All ports support a quick charge agreement. One charger is sufficient to meet all your charging requirements. Hyphen X uses the industry-leading gallium nitride chip InnoScience Power IC to provide better power and performance. Gallium nitride allows for higher switching frequency and voltages, which results in smaller chargers. Heat dissipating ability is one of the key factors that affect power efficiency. Third-generation gallium nitride semiconductors allow the charger to produce less heat and speed up the heat dissipating processes. This charger has a double power density, reduces power loss by 80%, and increases power efficiency. Hyphen X has been designed to be compatible with most fast charging protocols. This will ensure your device charges at the safest speed possible. 4 ports might be enough if 2 ports aren't enough. Fast charging up to 4 devices simultaneously from phones to earbuds, tablets to laptops with just 1 cable. This may be the solution for you if you frequently travel with multiple devices and struggle to keep them all charged and organized. And at number 3, the best USB wall charger is Anker PowerPort Atom 3. 63-watt 4-port USB-C fast charger. The Anker PowerPort 4 USB-C charges up to 4 devices at once, and each one of them is going to charge as quickly as it possibly can. Thanks to a combined 63 watts of power. Throw in a few extras features, like Power IQ and voltage boosting, and you have a device that will keep your gadgets fully charged while you are on the go. The 45-watt USB-C port can charge USB-C notebooks quickly. The 18-watt USB-C connector can provide a strong charge for tablets and other mobile devices. You can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. You can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously with 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports that offer a total power output of 63 watt each. It is possible to swap silicon for gallium trioxide. It is capable of creating one of the slimmest USB-C chargers possible without compromising its power. It features Anker's Power IQ 3.0 technology that provides fast charging for virtually all mobile devices. It also supports programmable power supply to be compatible with Samsung Super Fast Charging. It does not support fast charging at 45 watt for Samsung Note 10. PowerPort Atom 3, 63 watt slim, 5 fits detachable cord, adhesive strip, and welcome guide are included. We also offer a worry-free 18-month warranty. Friendly customer service is available. And at second place, the best USB wall charger is Spigen 40-watt dual USB-C wall charger. The 40-watt dual USB wall charger from Spigen is designed to charge USB-C devices at a rapid rate. This wall charger is capable of meeting the power needs of your devices, providing you with the ability to simultaneously charge your mobile devices. It has a dual USB-C PD charging port. Maximum 30-watt power delivery output when a single USB-C port is loaded. Maximum 40 watts, 20 watt each port when both ports have been used. The 30-watt output is compatible with MacBook Air, iPad Air, iPad Pro, and other USB-C devices. The fastest charging speed for iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and many other devices is achieved with 20-watt output. Gallium nitride technology allows the ArcStation to be smaller than a normal charger, unlike silicon chipsets Nvidia's gallium nitride chipset. The charger works with higher efficiency and produces less heat than a regular charger. It is safer than other fast-charging devices. The gallium nitride chip embedded in the product and intelligent safety technology ensures safety for our users and their devices. And at number 1, the USB wall charger is Akuscon 100-watt 4-port USB-C wall charger. The Akuscon 4-port USB-C wall charger is an excellent option for people who have multiple USB-C devices and want to charge them all at once. With 100 watts of power, you can use it to fast charge all your USB-C devices. It provides a huge 100-watt charging power, 1-socket fast charge 2 USB-C laptops, and 2 USB-A smartphones simultaneously. This Pro USB-C multi-port charger. All ports are compatible with the Quick Charge Agreement. One charger for all your charging needs. The gallium nitride advanced semiconductor material powers this device. This gadget is up to 5x faster than any other, 30% smaller, more energy efficient, and quieter, as well as 6 types of protection for charging and long service life. This 4-in-1 wall charger can charge most USB devices, including MacBook Pro 16, 15 and 13 inches, HP Elite, Lenovo Google Pixelbook, and Chromebook. Fast charge switch, iPad Pro, and iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max, and other devices. Its foldable design makes it possible to store it in a bag, or even in your pocket for easy transport. It is an ideal charger for your office, home, or vacation. A 100-watt gallium nitride advanced 4-port USB-C charger will be delivered to you. Friendly customer service will be provided. You will receive a 30-day unconditional refund, an 18-month warranty. I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.